Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Cooking. Today we are going to make a delicious marmalade out of a raw mango just in 5 minutes, and also three types of instant raw mango pickles. One is no oil, just mixing it right away ready. One is gol keri made out of jaggery. Another one is out of the Baedeker pickle masala that we get ready made in the market. These all can be stored in your house for 1 to 2 months. For this, I have taken two medium size of totapuri mango. These are not very sour. I have peeled the skin out. So in the same way, we will peel the skin out of both the mangoes, and now with the help of a shredder, we will nicely shred it, and we will shred it in a way so that we get longer strand. So I'll just show you how will we shred. So these kinds of strands we are looking for. I'm not cutting into the pieces. You can also cut into the pieces, but these strands will give a very nice flavor out of this mango. Guys, watch this video till the end. You will really love it, and do prepare it in your house. It's very easy. So I have shredded one mango. You can see how much quantity did we get out of the shreddings of one mango. In the same way, I'll also shred the other mango because I'm preparing four types. If you're preparing two types, one mango is easily enough. So these seeds of the mango, don't throw it. You can use it in dal and curries. So I'll show you the strands. Yeah, so these long strands we are looking for. As you can see, I have divided these strands into four parts. I have not added salt, neither I have added turmeric. So this is the kachi keri no athanu first. So we'll take 1 cup of shredded mango. I have not added turmeric or salt or anything. So once you add 1 cup of it, in goes 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In goes half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and a pinch of turmeric. That's it, friends. And this would be right away ready. Mixing it nicely, getting out of the juices of raw mango. Yum in your side dish, especially in lunch. I guarantee this will be finished within 2 to 3 days. I love raw mangoes, and raw mangoes are also very good for health. A lovely achar is ready. Let's get on to the other achar. This is another achar. I have sauteed it in oil and Baedeker pickle masala ready made. We get it in market. So in 1 tablespoon of oil, in goes a pinch of asafoetida. This is again optional. Once you add asafoetida, and slow flame will add 2 tablespoon of Baedeker pickle masala that is available. Check my description box for more details. And off the flame, we'll stir it nicely unless the raw flavor goes away. Once we stir it nicely, we'll add just a pinch of salt, the part of our mango, and then a 1 cup of shredded raw mango goes inside without taking out the juices. I have not squeezed the juice out of the mango. It is same like this. You can store it up to 2 to 3 months into your refrigerator and outside for 1 month. A lovely picker instantly is ready right away for you guys. So the another pickle here is very famously prepared in Gujarat is gol keri. This is very healthy, made out of jaggery, a must for kids if you have, and even it for yourself, a sweeter side mango. So into 1 tablespoon of oil, again here in goes jeera, a 1/4 teaspoon of jeera. You can avoid if you don't like cumin seeds here. Once the jeera is heated up and nicely gets spluttered, this process is very important. Let the jeera splutter very nicely. In goes our asafoetida, a pinch of it. Once it's spluttered nicely, we slow the flame, and then we add half a cup of jaggery. In 1 cup of raw mango, we'll require half a cup of jaggery here. To adding more spoons also, because I love to add fork. Fork will gently press the jaggery. It will take out the juices. Once you just stir it in a very slow flame within 1 to 2 minutes. I have not edited this video much because I want you to learn this whole process and make it very nicely. Once you see the jaggery is nice and mushed, that would be correct time to add our spices here. So as you can see, we off the flame here, pinch of turmeric, stir it very nicely, and we have offed the flame and goes 1 cup of raw mango. Lovely flavor. Stir it nicely unless the juices of the jaggery and the mango gets cooked. We don't get a raw flavor inside our pickle. Make sure here, and this achar you can store it up to 3 to 4 months aram se, but I can guarantee once you put it into the table and it would be nice away finished. You can have this gor keri with the bread, with paratha, with theplas, with muthias, and just like that will give a lovely side dish variety, especially in summers. So in goes half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half a teaspoon of dhania jeera powder. Don't worry, the heat of the mangoes and the jaggery will nicely cook our masala, so don't on the flame. Our achar is nicely ready to serve now. This can stay for a very longer period of time, and you can have it with lots and lots of varieties you have prepared into your house. And this is the correct juicy consistency that we are looking for. You can have it with the bread, paratha, or thepla and other khakra and other varieties that you prepare. So lovely juicy gor keri athanu, known in Gujarat, is ready to serve. So this is the marmalade. It's a mango marmalade. You can also call it as jam, and it is made out of sugar. And this marmalade, you need not on the flame. Let's learn the secret how you can prepare this. So into a pan, in goes 1 cup of shredded raw mango. Once you add that, if you have 1 cup of shredded mango, we need to add 1.5 cup of sugar. I have taken refined sugar. I have not added in any flame. Just stir it around nicely so that sugar and the raw mango merge nicely, as you can see here. Let it set for approx 1 hour. So I have kept it for 1 hour. Let's check whether our sugar is dissolved or not. I'll just give it a quick stir. Once we give it a quick stir, I'll show you how to test whether your sugar is dissolved or not. You put your one finger and just rub it over the other one, and you can see the sugar granules are still there. It's not completely dissolved. Once it happens like this, let it set for another half an hour, and let's check after that. Half an hour is done, and I'll just show you what is the exact consistency we are looking for to make this marmalade. This can stay in outside for 6 to 8 months. Need not worry. You can see the sugar granules are not being felt. It's completely dissolved. Now let's take this marmalade and put it into our flame for just 2 to 3 minutes more, and our lovely marmalade spread over the bread and pav will be ready. So I have kept the slow flame. I'll show you here. So once the flame is slow, we will stir it, give it a quick stir, and then let it simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. I'll just show you the consistency. We are looking for the sticky consistency. Once the bubbles get nice and hot, we'll give it 2 to 3 stir. Now, how will we know that our marmalade is ready? You can see over the period the mango consistency will be completely changed, that the strands of the shredded raw mango will completely turn translucent, and that will show us that your marmalade is ready to cool it down and then into your jar. So as you can see here, it's getting nicely heated up. I'm giving a quick stir in the middle, and then let it boil, and I'll show you the consistency, how to check the sticky sugary consistency. So I'll check it here. I'll show you here. See, it's not happening any tar, so we need to again stir it for another 1 to 2 minutes. And I'm so glad, friends, do try these instant mangoes. Raw mangoes are really healthy and cool down properties for your body, especially which we require it now. You can see the sugar is getting more thicker in consistency, and it's nicely getting cooked. Our raw mango is getting cooked, and once I'll show you, see, look here, the consistency here is little sticky. This will show you it's just 2 minutes to go more. Once you stir more for a minute or two, and again check that our raw mango shredded, as I told you, has been going to turn translucent. Give it a quick stir. Now again we'll check after a minute. Look here, friends. Yeah, this is the correct time that is showing you haftar ki chasni, that our raw mango marmalade is now ready. We'll off the flame and add bay leaf, we'll add elaichi, and we'll add cloves to it. This is completely optional. You can avoid any of these, and you can also add red chili powder if you like it. I love the same way, so I'm not adding red chili. These lovely yellow color is just lovely to my eyes. It's, you can see the consistency, nice, thick, juicy. The shreds have turned translucent. It's ready to serve. Now let's serve this. So I'm so glad, friends, you have watched this video till the end. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know into the comments how did you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.